Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we have to discuss about reproductive system of male frog and female frog. You know very well about in frog, the sex are separate, right? Both male and female. In that, we have to say like sexual dimorphism is there. Mean both male and female are separate. It is also said to be dioecious. What is it? Dioecious. Unisexual, also called as gonochoric. What is it? Gonochoric. Right? Okay, student. Sexual dimorphism is there or not? First point you have, right? Sexual dimorphism. Means what do you want to say about that? Dioecious or monoecious?
Dioecious.
Dioecious. Also said to be what? Unisexual or bisexual? Unisexual. Also called as gonochoric. As it is not a hermaphrodite. Right? Good. We have to call it. The next one, how could you distinguish both male and female? You know very well about the frog which is giving sounds with the help of vocal sacs. Those are male frogs. Right? Those are male frogs. Good. And both male and both male and female organisms are separate, right? So before going to that, we have to discuss about about both frog. Now discuss about both male and male reproduction. You know very well from earlier we are discussing about even the cockroach also, right? Which consists of a pair of testes. What is it? A pair of testes. I will students listen to me here. You can see it, what it consists of, right? A pair of testes are a single. A pair of testes are present here, right? And which is consist of what? Vasa afferentia. What is it? Vasa afferentia and another canal called what? Bidder's canal and ureter in male called as what? Urinary genital duct, and which is finally opens into the chamber called cloaca. Cloaca to cloacal aperture to out to the anus. Got it? Mate? Chamber, cloacal chamber, which can receive what? Sperms and what? Urine, and from here what? Even digestive waste. Got it? Right? So those all are received by the chamber called what? Cloaca. Got it? Mean what I am telling you now? They can release out through the anus within the water. Mean you can find out, you can conclude now. Fertilization is external because of frog releasing sperms to within the water, sperm to outside. Hence it is called as fertilization is external, right? We will discuss that about, right? So that's what I will try to show you, and I am going to show you now clearly about the diagrams of this both, right? So like kidneys and even testes, right? How it is? I am going to show you now based on the diagram. Male system. You know very well about testes, a pair or a single? What is the shape? Bean shape, right? Right. So here it's about bean shaped kidney, and testes are attached to kidney by the double fold membrane called peritoneum. What is it? Peritoneum. Just imagine this is what testis, this is what kidney. They are attached. By the in between there is a layer. By the layer only they are attached, right? That is called as what? Peritoneum. Double layer or single layer? Double layer. And the two anterior part of kidney, there is the presence of a pair of testes. Here. Got it? How many? A pair or a single?
Pair.
Why I'm giving this much of distance in between both the testis and kidney? I would like to show you about what?
Peritoneum.
Like peritoneum layer, right? And connection of vasa afferentials, right? I will show you now. Just watch it. This is what? Peritoneum. What is it? Peritoneum. It's a double layered membrane called what? What is it? Tell me, all of you.
Peritoneum, double layer.
Peritoneum. This is what? Peritoneum. And this what? What?
Testes.
Testis. And this what? So you can find out now. Testes are attached to kidney by the double layered membrane called what? Peritoneum. Clear, right? And next one. You know, the ventral part of the kidney is covered by peritoneum layer. Hence, it is called as a retroperitoneal organ. Kidneys are called as what? Retroperitoneal organ. That's it, right? And next one. Testis is entered inside of the kidney by the some of the structures called. I would like to show you now. Those are, you know what? You can see it here. You know what? Vasa afferentia. What is it? Vasa afferentia, right? Finally, which is opens into inside of the kidney because of they are connected to one of the special system. I would like to show you again. What are those? There is no time to write here also, right? It's enough. Okay. Listen to me here. The canal. The canal here, right? The canal is called as what? Tell me, all of you. Widder's canal. Right. The Widder's canal is posteriorly emerged out as a one of the special structures called what? Ureter. In male, ureter is called as what? Tell me, all of you. Urinogenital duct, right? And finally, this is open to the special structures called
Cloaca.
Right, all of you? This what?
Cloaca.
Tell me now the sequence, pathway of the sperm. Tell me first one. From where? Tell me, all of you.
Testes.
First one. What?
Testes.
The pathway of sperm. From where? Testis to vasa afferentia.
Widder's canal.
Next one where? Widder's canal.
Ureter.
Next one where?
Ureter.
Tell me, all of you. Urinogenital duct.
Cloaca.
And the next one, the chamber called what?
Cloaca.
Cloaca to cloacal aperture. To out through the anus. What have you? This is what the pathway of the what? Sperm. From where? From where to where? Testis to cloacal aperture to out. Got it? This is what the pathway. Right? I hope you understand based on the diagram. Right, all of you? Meat. A pair of testes are attached to anterior part of the kidney by the double-fold membrane called peritoneum, and each testis is connected to the kidney inside the kidney by the one of the 10 to 12. How many? 10 to 12 narrow tubular structures called what? Vasa afferentia. That vasa afferentia connected to what? A canal called Widder's canal, and the Widder's canal which is carrying spermatozoa, and finally spermatozoa which is entering into the structures called what? Urinogenital duct. From urinary duct opens into what? The chamber called cloaca. Cloaca opens out to the cloacal aperture. That's it. Right, all of you? This is what. And next one, the phenomenon attachment of testes to the kidneys is called as mesoarchium. What is mesoarchium? If the ovaries are attached to kidneys, that is called as mesovarium. What is it? Mesovarium. But here we are discussing about testis. Hence it is called as what? Mesoarchium. And you have to believe it, like at the time of copulation, right? Male releasing sperms, right? Male releasing sperms within the water, and the releasing of sperms within the water, the phenomenon is called as Neet. What is it? Neet means nothing but what? Sperm. What is it? Sperm within the water, right? That's it. This is what about reproductive system of male. And another one, there is a special structures above the testes. There is a presence of what? Like if numerous or finger-like structures, those are called as what? Fat bodies. Fat bodies are both present in male and female. Got it, all of you? Got it? That's it. This is what about reproductive system of male. Next, we have to move to what? Reproductive system of female. Tell me, all of you, what are the parts are they? First one, female reproductive system of frog consists of a pair of ovaries. Here you can see that, right? A pair of ovaries and what? Oviduct. And oviduct opens into cloacum at the end, which is the swelling part, that is called as ovisac. What is it? Ovisac. Correct, all of you? Right. And finally, ovaries, oviduct, ovisac opens into cloaca, cloaca to cloacal aperture to out. Correct, all of you? This is what. And next one, a pair of ovaries are attached to the dorsal wall of the kidney. Where it is? Dorsal wall of the kidney by the double folded membrane called what? Peritoneum. And the phenomenon which is ovaries attached to kidney is called as what? Mesovarium. Tell me what is it? Mesovarium. Right. Here about ovaries, which consists of what? Ovaries. Right, all of you? And next one is what? Oviduct. At the anterior part of the oviduct, which is a funnel shaped structure, which serves in collection of what? Ovum. Collection of ovum. Could you please find out any connection between like ovary to oviduct? Then how could? Because of, you have to believe it, all of you. Please listen to me carefully. Ovaries release ovums into the cavity. Where it is? Cavity. That ovums are collected by what? Oviduct. A funnel shaped structure. Ardhotna meeku? And the funnel shaped structure name is called as ostia. What is it? Ostia. What is the function of ostia? Collection of ovums from the cavity, and by that ostia opens into the duct called oviduct, which is a carrying of ovum, and that is called as oviduct. And oviduct finally opens into rectum before, oviduct opens into cloaca. Before opening into cloaca, there is a swollen part called what? Ovisac, right? So the ovisac, which is open into cloaca, cloaca opens into cloacal aperture opens into anus to out, right? And the releasing of ovums from the ovary of the frog, female frog, that is called as, span. What are called? Span. Span means what? Eggs of frog. Milk means sperm of frog, right? And you have to believe it, a mature female can release how many? 2,500 to 3,000 ovums at a time. And you have to know another one also, that copulation or mating, which will take place several days, right? The mating phenomenon in frog is called as amplexus. What is it? Amplexus. The sexual intercourse, right? The intercourse of male and female frog is called as what? Amplexus. The amplexus takes place several days, not only one day. several days, right, within the water, right? So by that there is a chance of releasing of both sperms and ovoms within the water. Then there is a chance to fission of male and female gametes at outside within the water. So you can conclude now fertilization is external or internal? External, outside the body. Got it? That is what. And this is about and you have to know one other thing. In male reproductive system, you can find out Pittas canal which is present inside of the kidney, right? But here absent. And just only attachment, but there is no functional role. There is no functional role of kidney in the what? Female reproduction, but you can find out there. There is a functional because of sperms are entering into where? Pittas canal is collected by urinogenital duct. But here no more because of special structures called what? Oviduct. Ovaries and oviducts are separately open to where? Cloaca. Guide all of you. Hence, in female, ureter will not called as a what? Urinogenital duct. You have to call just what? Ureter. Ureter is carrying only urine in female because of ovoms are carried out by what? Guide all of you. That's it. Right? And next one we have to discuss about another one, like how it takes place interaction or cooperation. So soon after completion of estivation, what was mean that? Summer sleep or winter sleep? Summer sleep. Very good, right? So soon after completion of estivation, right? So like male frogs will comes out, and mature male frog they do have a what? Vocal sacs, and by that they will croaking. Croaking means the giving sounds, right? Croaking, right? So by that there is a chance to producing of sounds to attract female, right? And by that there is a chance to happening of what? Copulation or mating. And the phenomenon is called as what? Amplexus. What is it? Amplexus, right? And during the amplexus, it's about female, it's about male, right? So male comes like mount on the female, and as the body is slippery, right? So without slippery, they will have a what? Nuptial pads or copulatory pads, right? In the forelimbs of the and first digit of the forelimb of male frog, right? And they will cover the body of the frog, and up to they will hold the thorax, right? So just ఇలా పట్టుకుంటుంది అనమాట, right? Thorax ఇలా పట్టుకుంటుంది, దాంతో బాడీ ఇలా పట్టుకొని, and by that there is a chance of releasing of what? Sperms within the water, right? At the same time, female also releasing of ovoms within the water. By that, both the ovoms and sperms are releasing within the water. So within the water only, fusion of male and female gametes, fertilization happening. Hence, after 2 to 20 days, how many? 2 to 20 days, there is a chance to young ones will comes out, hatch out of the eggs, and you have to believe it. ఎలా ఉంటుంది తెలుసా? ఫిమేల్ ఎగ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి అంటే, మీకు తెలుసు కదా, సబ్జా తెలుసు కదా, సబ్జా మనం రాత్రిపూట వాటర్లో ఇస్తే మార్నింగ్ ఎలా అవుతాయి? సేమ్ అలా ఉంటుంది, రైట్? సో అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే, మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం 2500 to 3000 ఎట్ ఏ టైం అన్నాం. బట్ ఇంకోటి ఏమన్నాం? సెవెరల్ డేస్ అన్నాం. యాంప్లెక్స్ ఎన్ని రోజులు అంట? సెవెరల్ డేస్. అంటే కొన్ని రోజులు చదువుతారు. అంటే ఏ టైం జరిగినా 2500 ఓమ్స్ to 3000 ఓమ్స్ రిలీజ్ చేయాల్సిందే ఫిమేల్. ఎన్ని రోజులు? అన్ని రోజులు. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో అలా యంగ్ వన్స్ నుంచి లైక్ వాటి హ్యాచ్ అవుట్స్ నుంచి వచ్చి ఏంటి చెప్పండి? టాడ్పోల్ లార్వా. ఏంటి చెప్పండి? టాడ్పోల్ లార్వా. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే, ఓమ్ కి దాని సరౌండింగ్ లో ఏముంటుందంటే ఆల్బుమిన్ ఉంటుందంట. ఏముంటుందంట? ఆల్బుమిన్ కోటింగ్ ఉంటుంది, రైట్? ఎనవర్ ఆల్బుమిన్ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు వాటర్ విచ్ కెన్ స్వెలెన్. ఎలా అవుతాయి అంట? స్వెల్లింగ్ అవుతాయి, ఉబ్బిపోతాయి అనమాట, రైట్? అండ్ బై దట్ ఆల్ ద లైక్ స్పాన్, ఏదైతే స్పాన్ అని మిగులుతున్నాయి కదా, సో అది కలిసిపోయి కలిసి జైగుట్, సో అదంతా కలిసి ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. తర్వాత యంగ్ వన్స్ అనేది సెపరేట్ అవుతాయి, రైట్? ఐ విల్ షో యూ దట్ life history. I will show you, and later I will explain you mankind. Okay, interaction with mankind. Biologize or not? Biologize, right? Just imagine this: what? Adult frog. What is it? Adult frog. And you have to believe it's about every feet or not? Right? It's about adult. And definitely which release what? Eggs and sperms, there is chance to fission. Right, దీని చుట్టూ లేయర్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, మొత్తం లైక్ అంతా అక్యుములేటింగ్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ is what young what and this is what adult larva. And you know very well it's about tadpole larva. What is it? Tadpole larva. And here they will have a like a frog with the like tail, right? So at the end stage, and finally at the end of the stage there is a chance to degeneration. And this is what life cycle or life history. Life cycle of frog. Right, all of you? This is what the phenomenon which is happening in the frog. Right? And now we have to discuss about what? Interaction with the mankind. You know, frog have a like tremendous use in the ecosystem balance. You know what? They can maintain like a population of the insects. They can control, right or wrong? Right? And by that will be useful to even farmer also. Right? Why? There is a chance to there is no usage of pesticides. Right? Farmer ki ఎందుకు యూజ్ అవుతుంది? Pesticides కొట్టకుండా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఒకటి ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ తినదు కాబట్టి ఒకటి, రైట్? అండ్ ఇన్సెక్ట్ పాపులేషన్ తగ్గిపోతే క్లియర్, రైట్? ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే like which is also present in food chain, you know very well. Like at the time of tadpole larva, they will feed on plants and plant product as it is herbivore. At the adult stage, they will feed on insect as it is carnivore. కదా? ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈ స్టేజ్ లో మనం ఇప్పుడు చెప్పినట్టు యాక్చువల్గా అవి ఏంటంటే ఇన్సెక్ట్స్, అవునా? రైట్. ఫస్ట్ ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతాయి యాక్చువల్గా, లైక్ ఏదైతే ప్లాంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, ప్లాంట్స్, ఇన్సెక్ట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రాగ్స్, నెక్స్ట్ స్నేక్స్, నెక్స్ట్ హాక్స్ ఆర్ ఈగల్. ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ ఫుడ్ చైన్, అవునా? రైట్. అలానే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఇన్వాల్వ్స్ ఇన్ ఫుడ్ వెబ్. ఏంటది? ఫుడ్ వెబ్, రైట్? సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అండ్ మెయింటెనింగ్ సమ్ ఎకోసిస్టమ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈస్ వన్, రైట్? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, somewhere frog also used as a bait in fishing, as like as earthworm సరిపోద్దా పెద్ద పెద్ద ఫిషెస్ పట్టాలంటే? సరిపోదు. So they will use, right? And another one, it is also used as a like laboratory dissection animal, right or not? ల్యాబ్ కానీ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కానీ ఏం చేస్తారంటే డిసెక్షన్ చేస్తారు, అవునా? ఒకటి, రైట్? అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏం తెలుసా? వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిస్కరేజ్. దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ థ్రెట్ టు animals. We have to discourage. We are not encourage about dissection of frog within the classroom or in the laboratory. We will not encourage. We have to discourage. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఎందుకంటే threatened species, right? And once upon a time there is a huge export is there because of they will consume. Now it was banned, right? And in India, somewhere that can be used as a food. You know very well, hind limbs, which is hind limbs thighs, which is as a leg piece, as I taught you earlier, right? In some of the countries, like some of the countries they will consume, like Vietnam, China, Thailand, right? In southern countries also somewhere they will use. They will have a huge market, right? And ఇది ఆన్ దగ్గర కాదు, ఆఫ్ దగ్గర తెలుసు ఏంటంటే మన దగ్గర కోళ్ళ ఫార్మ్స్, వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఫ్రాగ్ ఫార్మ్స్. That's it. This is what about interaction with mankind. Right, all of you, right? This is what today topic, like reproductive system of frog, both male and female, and interaction with mankind, right? Remaining topic we will discuss on tomorrow in the like new chapter. What? Digestion and absorption, right? Thank you very much.